Last week I had bad news for you because I told you I'm giving up my big shop. This week I have good news for you because I did this. I basically decided instead of having a dining room, I want to have the workshop in the house. And my original plan to use this house as an Airbnb when I'm not here kind of doesn't work because until I get the house to a point that I can actually rent it to the public, that's going to be another 2 years at least. Because it's not only about having the rooms livable, it's the garden, it's parking spots, it's every little thing. The windowsills have to be done. Like all these little things that I personally don't care about that much, but if I rent it out, it has to be perfect. So I decided I'm gonna get rid of the big shop. It's the most expensive thing that I have here in Germany, and build a shop and a studio into this house because I still work for the kids' TV show. I need a place to build stuff. And instead of renting it, I'm just gonna use it as a studio and finish it on my time without rushing, without being pressured to have it done as fast as possible. And once I decided this, everything fell into place. I am so relieved and I love this house again. You have to imagine, last time I was here in December, last time I was in Germany, I did not go to the house. I didn't want to see it. I didn't even want to drive by. I just avoided this house because I was so stressed and so unhappy with everything. And now that I decided that it's actually gonna be my house and I can take my time and not have to rush to the thing that I want to do the most, and that is to furnish it and design it and finish it and do the little things, which is what I do. I'm not a renovator. I'm not into rescuing houses. I'm into building furniture. So I was so sad that once I've gotten to the point that I was really the only reason I bought the house, I had to rush it. So now with this decision not to rent it and to just use it for me and my family and for the studio for my show, I'm so relieved and I'm taking my time. And look at that. Look how good it looks already. Because this right now is not only the payoff from the last 3 years renovating the house, it's payoff from the last 10 years building stuff. Just from where I stand, I see this is a video, the boombox, Thank You for the Music is a video, the bookshelf is a video, the shining table, the little desk, the record cabinet, the lamp is a video. That broke my brain. The math of this video was insane. And also, the little planter. That's also a video. I mean, the entire house is a video. The spy cases. The backdrop. The little welding thing. Our switch. All of this is work that I did over the past 10 years. And it's coming together without any effort. It's so nice. I've been staying in this house for a week and I'm really emotional. I'm very, very moved. I feel like these little birds, I forgot what the breed is, but they build nests from trash and they're super picky and they sort like different bottle caps and it's all color coded. That's who I am right now. I'm so proud of this house. Let's go upstairs. This is exactly what I mean by I'm fine with it, but I couldn't rent it. That's the kitchen right now. It works for me. I can cook what I need to cook. I have coffee, but you couldn't Airbnb this. Oh, check this out. I built this probably 15 years ago, I would think, way before YouTube. And it looks like I made it for the hallway, you know? Oh.
So nice.
So these two rooms, there's a little bit more work to do. Obviously, no floor. There needs to be, you know, blah, blah, blah. But you saw the bathroom. Should we start there?
Yeah, sure.
Just a quick reminder. That's going to be the kids' room. Also more work to do. You remember the bathroom from last week? Okay, but now, through all of this, yes, 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 my favorite room so far. I think my best invention of this room is this. That's the in-betweener.
Oh, wow, okay.
So that's for clothes that are too dirty
Yeah,
to put it back, but it's also too clean to wash it.
sure.
And that's where they go.
Do we have a video about this?
Not all heroes. No, I should make one. Those are all videos. Oh, and this. Again, like there's more work to do. There's a wall missing, and you see the cables. But at night,
Oh, nice.
it's so cozy. Did I ever show you my stamps? My brother gave me those, I think 8 years ago, and I remember collecting them when I was a kid. And it's all about work safety. Perfect present. Another good thing about not renting this, I don't have to sand the stairs, because I don't care. I think they look good enough. I really hope you can feel my relief about all these decisions, because it's been a lot. I totally get it. I think every other week I make a new video that goes like, big update, here's an update, moving my shop, selling my stuff, moving into blah. Now, at least I think everything fell into place, and especially everything about the house, it's just a huge relief. I feel connected again. I'm excited about it again. I'm also very excited to go home, and next week I'm gonna give you another update. No. Next week you're gonna have a shop project from California. Very excited about my shop there. I have super cool stuff coming, but I feel at peace, and I'm happy to go home knowing that everything is okay here. And I have my stuff, and everything is safe, and the house is in good condition. And don't forget, second weekend of August, we're gonna do a big flea market yard sale thing. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
What?
It's gonna be good. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy all these decisions finally making sense. And I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye. It's gonna be good.